Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to BAME Paula channel analytics. They have uploaded 1,278 videos. They now have 18.2 million subscribers with a total view of 3,458,903 views. They are from Indonesia, and their channel type is entertainment. They created their channel since June 4, 2016. The grade they got is A, and their Social Blade ranking is at 622nd. The subscriber ranking is 266th, and then video views rank is 1,263rd. They ranked at 6th in Indonesia and 72nd in entertainment. Next, the daily subs for BAME Paula is around 10k with a daily view of 3,864,393. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 3,900,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $15,600. Then, monthly income will be $468,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $257,400 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $3,088,800. That is how much BAME Paula makes from YouTube.